7:06. I just ate breakfast. I'm ready to go. What I'm doing today is I'm going kayaking. I've never gone kayaking before, so like, yikes. Me and my friend Lindsay are going. Lindsay has been in videos in the past, so that's who I'll be with. Yeah, let's just do this. Do you guys want to OTD? I'm literally wearing a Margaritaville shirt. Necklace is from, where is it? The beach. And then I'm wearing shorts, I think from Walmart. We got bougie up in here. And I'm gonna wear my chacos. That is the fit, even though you didn't care. Oh, and I have a bathing suit on. It's from like, I'm going to pick up Lindsay right now. Yeah, okay. Okay. I don't know what else to say. So, I'm pretty sure it's like a group, hopefully, because we will probably get lost if not. Neither of us have been kayaking before. My mom is determined that we're gonna fall out, so don't think so, but whatever.
Once upon a time in the nursery rhyme, there was a cousin with a kid hiding in a wing, because he never went to school to learn a single thing. He had scepters and swords and parliaments and lords, but on the inside he was
She's coming.
And the birds, because the queen of the nation made a royal proclamation.
Wow. Oh my god. What was that? My water bottle.
Be like, do not get in the yak.
Oh, do not get in the yak. Or yakin.
Yak. Do something crazy. Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
You gotta take vlog footage sideways. Ah, amateur. We're going towards the bank. Did you hear me? If anyone wants to decipher what we just said, go for it, because I have no clue. I don't know if we were possessed or I don't know. Yield!
Dude, I want to be yielding to probably this rope bridge that's in the water. Is that a rope?
That is a rope swing. I got the box at Walmart. The box. It's waterproof. It was $5. Not sponsored. They're getting killed. Oh my god. yaKIN!
Oh my god, what's called like yaKIN and yaKIN?
Huh?
yaKIN and yaKIN?
Oh.
There has to be a song about yaKIN.
There has to be a song about yaKIN. And if there's not, we could write a song about yaKIN.
Yak, 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 yak,
Yak, yak, yak, yak, yak, yak, yak, yak.
Get your head in my yak. Yakin' it. Going down the river at 0 miles per hour. I miss my yak. I miss my home. I got a really good one. I'm still yakking after all this time.
I'm still
Are you coming?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm on my way.
Redo. I'm still yakking.
No, you're not.
Have you ever had the
and you yak with all the colors. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am? Yeah, it's Mulan. Please, I don't think I want to send you this video. Yeah, exactly.
Like $12 person-ish.
Susie's hamburgers.
No. No.
I know what.
Where it is.
The road?
Yeah.
It's right there.
You'll see. You know. I had to go over a curve. It was like one of those like hills that you couldn't see over. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
And then I went over it and I was going kind of fast. But then it was like a big curve. Like it was a sharp curve, but if you kept going, there was a cliff. Yeah, but you couldn't see over the hill.
Oh!
So easy to let those cars get this car parked for. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
We're gonna go eat now.
My bag's wet. I need my wallet.
My bag was so
I
wet.
think I need my wallet.
Yeah, probably.
What lucky good. How are you all doing today?
Coke? Yes.
Can we have a large queso? Yes. Just come with our queso. Full fried cauliflower tacos for free. And you want my flour tortillas? Yeah.
Just a burrito with steak, cheese, peppers, and onions. And then the queso on top.
Burritos usually come with the red sauce. You want that?
No, no red sauce.
It's not mine.
Yeah, just take it.
From the water, not from the food. That's good.
That was good.
You can see ours.
On the road again.
Goodbye. So guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe down below for videos that are better than this one. This one was kind of fast because right now it's Wednesday and this goes up tomorrow, but next Monday I should definitely have a video up, and then Thursday hopefully a vlog. I'll see you on Monday with a brand new video. Thanks. Bye.
Hey, it's baby that I